Very good morning, class 7th. So, yesterday we have finished with the suffix and prefix. We have completed the lesson number 27. And now we will start with the grammar chapter 14. Chapter 14, that is the adverbs. So, what are adverbs? आपने पढ़ा होगा पहले ये लास्ट ईयर भी पढ़ा होगा उससे लास्ट ईयर भी पढ़ा होगा. So adverb is a word that modifies the verb, another adjective or another adverb. It modifies the meaning of a verb. Means आपका जो sentence में verb है उसके meaning को वो modify कर देता है. Means उसको थोड़ा सा वो और beautify. Modify means उसको और describe कर देता है एक तरह से. It describes a bit more. It modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So first of all we will write down the definition. Adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Right? So it modifies the meaning of a verb, of an adjective or of another adverb. Now, if I write, he planned everything carefully. He planned everything carefully. This is one sentence. Then the second one, his plan is extremely perfect. His plan is extremely perfect. Third one, he has planned everything very carefully. He has planned everything carefully. Now, look at these sentences very keenly. ध्यान से देखो. Sentence 1. Adverb क्या है हमारा इसमें? Carefully. This is our adverb. Right? His plan is extremely perfect. Now here, it is modifying the word planned. उसने plan कैसे बनाया? It modifies the verb planned. हमारा जो verb है यहाँ पे वो उसको modify करता है. उसका plan कैसा था? He planned everything carefully. Means उसने सब कुछ plan जो किया था वो बहुत carefully किया था. His plan is extremely perfect. Now in this perfect, ये हमारा हम तारीफ कर रहे हैं किसी की, उसके प्लान की तारीफ कर रहे हैं, तो ये हमारा क्या हो गया? एक्सट्रीमली जो है ये हमारा हो गया एडजेक्टिव. और ये किसको कर रहा है? एक्सट्रीमली को. ये हमारा जो वर्ड है एक्सट्रीमली, ये हमारा बन गया एडवर्ब. ये यहाँ पे एडजेक्टिव है ना जो हमारा परफेक्ट, उसको ये और भी ज्यादा मॉडिफाई कर रहा है. हिज प्लान इज परफेक्ट. अगर हम इतना बोले हिज प्लान इज परफेक्ट, बट अगर हम बोले हिज प्लान इज एक्सट्रीमली परफेक्ट, मीन्स आपने उसकी जो एडजेक्टिव था उसको भी मॉडिफाई कर दिया कि उसका एक्सट्रीमली परफेक्ट था. परफेक्ट वर्ड को भी आगे उसने मॉडिफाई कर दिया. ठीक है. हिज प्लान्स, ही हैज प्लान्ड एवरीथिंग केयरफुली. नाउ हियर very carefully, I think. Yeah. Very carefully. Now here again carefully is our adverb. ठीक है, हमारा देखो इसमें इसने क्या किया, इसमें इसने वर्ब को मॉडिफाई किया in the first sentence. In the second, perfect was an adjective and he has modified the adjective in this. In the third, it can modify the another adverb also. So here adverb क्या है हमारा, manner का carefully. उसने सब कुछ carefully plan किया था. अब अगर मैं आगे लगा दूं बहुत very carefully, तो ये क्या हो गया, ये आपका another adverb हो गया जो आपके carefully पे emphasis दे रहा है. मीन्स उसने केयरफुली को भी मॉडिफाई कर दिया. इधर उसने एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई किया, इधर उसने वर्ब को मॉडिफाई किया. सो इन अ नटशेल वी कैन से adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or an another adverb. अब इनकी फॉर्मेशन कैसी होती है, we will learn that. How they are formed. How they are formed. Many adverbs are formed by adding ly. Maximum क्या होता है, इनकी पहचान ये होती है. How to identify. Almost 80% जो हमारे adverbs होते हैं they are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. Like अगर हम ये लिख दें, many adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjectives. Like हम यहाँ पे कोई adjective लिखते हैं, careful, right? अब हम इसके साथ ly लगा दें, क्या बन गया, carefully. Many जो adverbs हैं, mostly जो हमारे adverbs हैं, वो ly लग जाता है adjectives के पीछे. तो maximum हमारे जो adverbs हैं, वो adjectives के पीछे ly लग के बन जाते हैं. Like early, clearly, early तो थोड़ा सा complicated है, clear, clearly, wicked, wickedly, silent, silently, soft, softly, warm, warmly. But there are many adverbs which do not have any such suffix. पर ऐसे भी बहुत सारे एडवर्ब्स होते हैं जिनके पीछे ये ly नहीं लगता. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि हर एडवर्ब के पीछे ly लगे. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी, नॉट एवरी टाइम. Adverbs have ly suffix with them. So every time you will not find an adverb with ly. There are so many adverbs which are without this suffix ly. For example, like, but there are which do not have any special suffix. They are there, today, more. For example, there, today, more, already, otherwise. So on. There are so many. So you start writing from here. Write the definition. Then formation of verbs. आपकी paragraph भी लिखेंगे. Start writing in your notebooks with me only. Okay. So adjectives and adverbs. तो हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनके पीछे ये ly suffix नहीं लगा होता. बट हमारे बहुत सारे ऐसे भी होते हैं जिनके पीछे ये लगा रहता है. केयरफुली, वार्मली, क्लियरली, fastly, like this. And there are many other, those who don't have any suffix ly with them. Okay, so there are both type of adjectives. Now adjectives and adverbs. ठीक है, अब हम इसमें डिफरेंशिएशन समझते हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू learn how to identify whether it is an adjective or an adverb. Not all the words ending in ly are adverbs. एक तो पहले आपने ये सोच लेना है कि I said mostly adverbs are formed by adding ly, but that does not mean that every word with ly is an adverb. No, there are many adjectives which are adjectives which end with the ly. Just look, there are so many adjectives that end with ly, like cowardly, friendly, brotherly, sisterly, miserly. ये सारे हमारे adjectives हैं और ये adjectives हमारे ly से ही finish होते हैं, end होते हैं. But some of these are used as both adjectives and adverbs. So there are many words ending with, there are many adjectives. So the conclusion is that adjectives also end with ly suffix. There are so many. For example, brotherly, sisterly, lovingly, then monthly, miserly, so on. बहुत सारे हैं. ठीक है, तो ये जो है हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स ये ly से ही फिनिश होते हैं, एंड होते हैं. तो इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी दैट एवरी एडवर्ब हैज़ अ suffix ly with it. There are many adjectives also that end with the ly. But some of these words are used both as adjectives and as a adverbs. पर इनमें से कुछ ऐसे words हैं जो हम as an adjective भी use कर सकते हैं और as an adverb भी. Sony works for daily wages at McDonald's. Sony works for daily wages at McDonald's. Sony works for डेली वेजेस. यहाँ पे जो है ना बच्चे डेली, ये हमारा एज एन एडजेक्टिव है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये है ना जो हमारा वर्ड, ये हमारा नाउन है. वेजेस, हियर इट इज वर्क फंक्शनिंग एज ए नाउन. सो व्हेन a word that describes the modifies the noun or a noun is known as an adjective. So here it is working as an adjective. जब ये सेंटेंस में किसी नाउन को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है, इट इज मॉडिफाइंग अ नाउन, दैट मीन्स इट्स एन एडजेक्टिव. एंड वी कैन राइट इन अनदर वे ऑल्सो. द नर्स कम्स टू टेंड टू माई एलिंग. द नर्स कम्स टू टेंड टू माई एलिंग मदर daily. Nurse comes to tend my ailing mother daily. Now here, यहाँ पे क्या है? Comes to tend means ये क्या है हमारा verb, और ये हमारा हो गया adverb. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे ये जो है verb है हमारा, उसको modify कर रहा है. ठीक है? So here it is working as an adverb. So when a verb is modified, that means it's an adverb, and when it is modifying some noun, that means it's an adjective. This is one of the identification rule. Now we will read few more sentences. From Monday next, passengers will avail hourly train service. Hourly, again it is ending with ly. इसके बाद क्या लगा हमारा? ट्रेन सर्विस. मीन्स जो ट्रेन है वो हमारा नाउन हो गया, सर्विस फ्रेज नाउन फ्रेज हो गया ये. तो ये ट्रेन सर्विस को मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, आरली ट्रेन सर्विस. सो दैट मीन्स नाउन को ये मॉडिफाई कर रहा है, दैट मीन्स ये एडजेक्टिव है. द डोसेज हैज़ टू बी टेकन आरली. डोसेज हैज़ टू बी टेकन. अब यहाँ पे ये वर्ब टेकन क्या है, हमने पहले ढूंढना है इसमें वर्ब है या नाउन है सेंटेंस में. अगर वर्ब है तो दैट मीन्स वो वर्ब के बाद लगता है एडवर्ब. और मोस्टली जो हमारा एडजेक्टिव है वो नाउन से पहले लगता है. इट इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर द नाउन and adverb is mostly placed after the verb. So this is the biggest difference. The boat has entered the deadly sea. Here sea is a noun and it is modifying the word sea, that is deadly. The HIV patient is deadly sick. Deadly sick. Sick यहाँ पे क्या हो गया हमारा adjective. So means it is एडजेक्टिव है या एडवर्ब है या वर्ब है. जो एडवर्ब होता है वो या तो एडजेक्टिव को मॉडिफाई करता है या वर्ब को या किसी अनदर एडवर्ब को. तो यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है HIV पेशेंट इज डेडली सिक. अब सिक जो वर्ड है वो हमारा है एडजेक्टिव एंड डेडली सिक है तो दैट मीन्स इट इज मॉडिफाइंग द एडजेक्टिव. तो इस तरह से आपको रिकॉग्नाइज करना है वेदर इट इज अ एडजेक्टिव और एन एडवर्ब. Study some more examples. I want to lead a leisurely life in a village farmhouse. Leisurely life. Life यहाँ पे हमारी हो गई as a noun. So that means ये noun को modify कर रहा है. That means it's an adjective. He is sitting leisurely at the bench. Sitting. अब इसमें verb क्या हुआ हमारा sitting. Leisurely that means it is modifying a verb. So it is an adverb. The nurses provided the patient a kindly service. Kindly service. Service here is a noun and it is modifying a noun, that means it's an adjective. We should treat our juniors kindly. Treat is a verb and it is modifying, so that means it's an adverb. Now we will do the exercise number 1. Write down exercise number 1. Start doing that in your book. Write whether the highlighted words are used as adjectives or adverbs in the following sentences. Also underline the words modified by adjectives and adverbs. Also underline the words modified by the adjectives or adverbs. Means here we have to mention the word modified by the adjective or adverb. First one is exercise number 1. It's on page number 82. First one. My father will likely arrive tonight. Likely arrive. Now what is arrive here? Likely arrive. Arrive here is an verb. So likely arrive means ये हमारा हो गया adverb and ये किसको करना है? Arrive को modify कर रहा है. Modifying modifies arrive. ठीक है, आप ऐसे लिखेंगे. Second one, he is likely to win in the competition. Likely to win. तो यहाँ पे ये likely to win in the competition. Here it is functioning as a likely is used as the most probably, means probability ज़्यादा है that he is likely to win in the competition. Here it is an adjective. No, but I think here it is an adverb again because it is modifying the word to win. Again it is an adverb, modifies win. Third one, your early reply is highly appreciated. early यहाँ पे क्या reply हो गया हमारा noun, तो modifies reply as a noun. ये हमारा noun है, ठीक है. ये हमारा verb है, again it is a verb. So here it will be adjective. Fourth one, the child woke up early in the morning. Woke up क्या हुआ हमारा? Verb हुआ, तो ये हो गया हमारा adverb. Fifth, you are my only companion here. Only companion. Companion is a noun here. So companion, noun. So that means it's an adjective. Sixth, you can only opt for one of the courses. Only opt. Opt. Opt again, it's an here working as a noun only. Only opt. So again it's an adjective. No other choice is there. You can only opt for one of the courses. Seventh, this mountain is 2000 feet high. 2000 feet high. So mountain को कर रहा है ये. Mountain क्या है यहाँ पे? It is working as a noun. Mountain is working as a noun. So then it will be an adjective. Eighth one, don't raise the bar high. Adverb, bar, raise, raise. ये हो गया हमारा verb. 9, I think your option is wrong. Your opinion is wrong. Opinion here is a noun. So it is an adjective. 10, you have pronounced the word wrong. Pronounced. So with this we have completed the exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, form sentences to illustrate the use of the following words as an adjective and as adverbs. So you have to do it yourself. ये मैं आपको homework दे रही हूँ कि आप ये खुद करेंगे. Do this exercise as a homework. Exercise number 2. So here they have given you one example. As an adjective हमने इन्होंने पहले very का as an adjective बनाया है. I was impressed with the very idea. Then with that very idea and adverb, I liked movie very much. तो आपने ऐसे ही near का बनाना है. Near को पहले adjective की तरह यूज करना है, फिर आपने उसे adverb की तरह यूज करना है. तो ये आपका homework है. Exercise number 2. This is your homework. Do it yourself. In notebooks. ये आपने खुद करना है. पेज क्या है हमारा ये? 82. This is your homework. You will do it yourself and send the image to me. Okay. Now adjectives in adverbial construction. Adjectives ending in ly which have no adverbial form may be used in an adverbial construction as follows. Adjectives ending in ly, जो adjectives हमारे ly से end होते हैं, which have no adverbial form, और उनमें कोई भी adverb वाली form नहीं होती है, that can be used in adverbial construction. तो उनको हम as a adverbial construction use करते हैं, जैसे कि the interviewer spoke to the interviewee in a friendly manner. He walked in a leisurely manner on the bench. Now here the verbs spoke and walked. Spoke to the interviewer in a friendly manner. कैसे बोला वो उससे? Friendly manner से बोला. Okay. हमने पीछे उसे manner लगा दिया, construct कर दिया खुद. Friendly क्या था? हमारा एक adjective था, but हमने उसे पीछे manner लगा के उसको adverbial construction बना दिया. Here the words spoke and walked are modified by adverbial construction in a friendly manner and in a leisurely manner, respectively. दो friendly और leisurely क्या है हमारे adjectives हैं, हमने इसके पीछे manner लगा के इसको adverbial construction बना दिया. Clear? Exercise number 3. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from the ones given in the help box to complete the adverbial construction, modifying the verbs said or asked. Exercise number 3. I cannot help you escape the fire, he said in a cold-blooded manner. Second, give me your jewels, said the thief in a threatening manner. Third, I don't want to listen to you, said the boss in a rude manner. So here they have modified it like adverbial construction. हमने पीछे manner लगा दिया और हमने adjectives लगा दिए वहाँ पे, ठीक है ना? हमने adjectives के पीछे ly से हमारे कुछ adjectives जो हैं end होते हैं, उनके पीछे अगर हम manner लगा देते हैं तो वो हमने खुद construct कर दिया, तो वो बन गया adverbial construction. So rude manner हो गया हमारा. Fourth होगा हमारा are you feeling alright? Ask the mother in a kind manner. Father, I am in debt to you for all my success, said the girl in a grateful manner. So now we come to the kinds of adverbs. So do you know how many kinds of adverbs are there? Adverbs of quality, adverbs of quantity, adverbs of, okay, here they have given you in a different manner. They have given you in a adverbs of manner, place, time, they don't have given the name, frequency, certainty, degree, reason, interrogative and relative. So in total they have given you 9. So first of all we will start with the adverbs of manner. These are the most common. Adverbs of manner. मैनर क्या बताते हैं बच्चे? मैनर बताते हैं इन what टाइप, कैसे किया, इन what टाइप मीन्स इन what manner, how the action was done, that tells the adverbs of manner. Now if I say she walked gracefully, she danced beautifully, she sang melodiously, so all these sang word, dance word, और हम इसमें ये पता करेंगे कि उसने कैसे डांस किया. How she danced melodiously, she danced beautifully, means it is telling you the manner in which she danced. So it tells the manner, आपको बताता है कि action कैसे हुआ, in what manner the action has done. It answers the question in what manner. gracefully, gently, quickly. So, she sang gracefully. The ducks waded quickly into the water. Waded means झट से चली. Waded कैसे? In what manner? Quickly. She sang gracefully. How she sang? She sang gracefully. The nurse applied the medicine softly. How she applied the medicine? Means in what manner the action was done. It tells about the that means if it is telling you the manner in what sense that action has taken place, so that means it is an adverb of manner. Action किस तरह से हुआ है, so it is adverb of manner. Now adverb of place. So here it will tell you that where the action has taken place. Where the action has taken place. Like कहाँ हुआ है? Here, there, down, upstairs, that side, this side. So it tells you about the place of the action. Now bring it there. वहाँ ले आओ उसे. Bring that table there. Come here. I am calling you come here. That means I am giving you the direction that you should come here. Or I'll see the photos. Come here. तुम इधर आओ तब मैं photos देखूँगा. या put that pot on this table. Put the pot here. So here, there, everywhere. जिससे कि आपको पता चले कि कौन सी place पे हुआ है action. आपको place का पता चल रहा है. So that means it is the adverb of place. Here, there, up, stairs, down, etc. Now, adverbs of time. Adverb of time, it tells you at what time the action has taken place. For example, now, then, sooner, later, today, tomorrow, etc. So if I say I haven't seen you before, मैंने आपको पहले नहीं देखा, तो means इससे आपको पता चल गया कि ये adverb of time है जो मुझे हमें ये बता रहा है कि इसने इसे पहले नहीं देखा. ठीक है. Why did you arrive late yesterday? तुम कल late क्यों आए? कल late means कल वो late आया था. That means time का पता चल रहा है. Time का बता रहा है adverb कि उसका जो arrival था वो late था. I saw the vendor here a few minutes ago. मैंने यहाँ पे vendor को few minutes ago देखा था. Means कुछ मिनट पहले की बात है. तो here it is telling you about the time. Now the adverbs of frequency. Frequency बच्चे it tells about how often, कितनी जल्दी वो काम होता है, कितनी how often that action takes place. Suppose I visit my aunt weekly, or I went to my grandparents yearly or last yearly. Like this, it tells you about the interval of time and after how often that action takes place. Like the teacher repeated each point twice. Teacher ने point को कितनी बार repeat किया? Twice. तो इससे आपको पता चल रहा है action कितनी बार हुआ? 2 बार हुआ. He often makes delay means वो अक्सर delay करता है. अक्सर. तो इससे आपको पता चल रहा है कि ये उसका normal काम है कि वो अक्सर delay करता है. So that means it is telling you about the frequency, how often the action takes place. Weekly, yearly, twice, thrice, or rarely, lately, all these words are used in this frequency. Frequently, कोई काम आप बहुत जल्दी करते हैं. Rarely, twice हो गया. और usually, often, seldom. Usually जो अक्सर आप करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे आप usually और often थोड़ा मिलते जुलते मीनिंग वाले. Now we come with the adverb of certainty. When you are certain about something, जब आपको मालूम है कि ये काम तो हुआ ही हुआ है, when you are certain about it, that is the adverb of certainty. Surely, you are certain, ये काम तो हुआ ही है. Surely, obviously. Obvious means when the things are very clear. We say obviously, ये तो होना ही था. Means it's very clear. Definitely. तो जो ये वाले वर्ड्स जब यूज होते हैं, दैट मीन्स वो कौन सा एडवर्ब है? एडवर्ब ऑफ सर्टेनिटी. Then the sixth one is adverb of degree. Now, don't get confused with the frequency and degree. Mostly students get confused. Frequency होता है how often और degree होता है level. Level बताना, intensity of an action. बहुत ज़्यादा दर्द, जैसे हम कहें आई एम फीलिंग एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी, बहुत खुश हूँ, बहुत उदास हूँ, सो है. तो मीन्स इट टेल्स यू अबाउट द इंटेंसिटी कि आप कितना अच्छा या कितना बुरा या मॉडरेट आप फील कर रहे हैं, या एक्शन जो है वो कितना एक्सट्रीम पे हुआ है या कितना लोएस्ट उस पर डिग्री पे हुआ है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक्सट्रीमली, very, rather, quite, fairly, etc. Now listen to the example. You can't be too late for your school. You can't be too late means आप बहुत ज़्यादा लेट नहीं हो सकते हैं स्कूल के लिए, बहुत ज़्यादा. टू means excess. I am feeling quite better. काफ़ी ठीक. Quite means काफ़ी हद तक. तो quite आ गया आपका moderation में. I would rather suggest you to change the medicine. Rather suggest means मैं यहाँ पे आपको ये suggestion देना चाहूँगा. तो rather suggest means it is giving you the positive suggestion in a very positive way. Now comes the reason. Adverbs of reason. So where you can find so, there, henceforth, या therefore. For example, matters have gone worse, therefore I would like to stop here. Means ये आपको reason बता रहा है, कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि आपको ऐसा करना पड़ा. मैंने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why this action took place? Why I took this action? So you will tell the reason. So there we use these words: therefore, so, hence. Riya has done the school proud many times. Hence we are giving her Student of the Year award. रिया ने बहुत बार स्कूल को प्राउड फील कराया, इसलिए हम उसे ये अवार्ड दे रहे हैं. मैटर्स बहुत ज़्यादा वर्स हो गए थे, therefore I would like to stop. इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे इसे stop करता हूँ. So the rest part of these two interrogative adverbs and relative adverbs, you read it yourself and we will discuss it in another lecture.